my name. Yeah, they're all registered under.
Yeah, and if you could just go one for each bird.
Godzilla.
Porky Godzilla.
Okay. Just like that's my name. And then we have Bird. The amount of birds I know named Bird. All right.
Oh, we have a green sheep named Green Cheek, and the other one's named Pineapple.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do first.
We're gonna do Bird first. We'll go down the line.
Yeah.
Umbrella cockatoo.
Although I renamed Green Cheek Satan. That bird wants to kill everybody.
I like that.
So, I have never met a more aggressive bird.
He's just a little green cheek. They're little. They can't do that much harm.
No, they don't do much harm, but being that aggressive,
Okay, Bird's the male, right?
yes.
What email address are you using?
Hi, Bird. It's
Huh?
so nice to
Mike
meet
and
you.
George.
Okay. Hi. I know. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Bird. Hi. I know you're gonna be so nice for me, aren't you?
He is sweet.
Just a little bad. Oh, can I have those feetsies? I know you're holding on.
What phone number?
404 558 2300.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, bird.
Bird, this is Ginny.
I'm gonna be holding you. You want a towel?
Maybe the sunbirds, 'cause
All right.
I don't know what else to put down low. Microchip numbers and
No,
stuff
they
like
got
that.
that.
Yeah, I have all that. Okay, we feel good muscle.
Okay, it's his signature.
How's the towel? How does it taste?
Address.
It's not flavor.
Oh,
It's
Sorry.
Okay, we're gonna do just a little towel adjustment. Because he's got, I need you to grab these little pieces. Good job. Bird, you're doing so
good
good.
job. Keep chewing the towel.
Just have you bring that wing in. Doesn't snap me with it.
Hey, Stevie, it's okay.
Oh,
Hi, Steve.
right in that area.
Yeah, keep chewing that towel. Good job.
Make sure it's nice and clean. Get all the feathers out of the way.
Keep chewing the towel.
STEVIE.
Bead, clean bars.
Hey, baby.
It's a great
Hey,
flavor.
Stevie. All right, baby.
Oh, so good, so
And of course, I
good.
can't spell, so it probably spelled umbrella.
Good boy, Bird. That was so good. Not even a peep. Good job. Not even a peep from you. See, this is no biggie. This is no biggie at all. Oh, just not. Good job, Bird.
Cockatoo.
There we go. Perfect.
Spell cockatoo, I'm complete.
C-O-C-K. Thank you.
It's not there.
Oh, that's perfect, that's all.
Good work on that towel. Good job.
Okay, you go back into his cage.
Yay, back to your house.
She's later than you, so we know.
There you go.
Hey, bird.
Close your house. House.
Hi, bird.
Yay! We have the plastic bag. Yeah.
That wasn't bad, huh?
Yeah. How you feeling?
Hi, bird.
Good job.
Just remember everything down.
Okay. Hi, sweet baby. Stevie, right? You're Stevie.
Yeah, Stevie came with Jackery. So, yeah. Their parent passed away from cancer. It took us a month to get the smoke smell out of both of them.
Yep, been there.
Yeah.
No, and our kid that, it took us a couple months. She's got damage to her lungs now because of that.
That's what I'm afraid long term.
So parrots have not only a set of lungs, they actually have air sacs that go throughout their bodies. So they can pull more out of the air, especially if you were flying about, right, baby? Which means that things like smoke, Teflon, scented candles are even more dangerous for them. Hi, Stevie, I know. Oh, you gonna make my job easy? There we go. Oh, yeah.
That's right.
Good job,
Good job,
Stevie. Oh, it's a good job. You're gonna be a wiggle, aren't you?
Why?
There you go. It's a wiggle
And
worm.
then chew on the Mario towel. That's fine.
Can I have these toes? Oh, look at these
She's a
toes.
lilac.
They want to chew.
L-I-A.
Chew on the
No,
What would
L-I-L.
you like to chew on?
So she's just where I would do a chip on.
Yeah, it's crown. Amazon. Yeah, she doesn't let me preen her head feathers.
Oh, no.
I have to put her in a bathtub to do it.
Am I gonna take advantage of you?
Ortiz is a girl.
Yeah.
Okay, Steve. I'm just holding.
She's little. Yeah. Okay, are you gonna make a fuss?
Okay, Steve.
It's gonna go. Oh,
I know, it's not.
all done.
I'm putting her on top of her seat.
Oh my God, you put up more of a fuss coming out of your cage than you did.
You never said the D, so I didn't put her on any of them.
It's the same as.
You can hold on to my hand. That's okay. It's like at the doctor.
So I did them all wrong. The email's wrong on all of them.
Oh.
There's supposed to be the word D in front of it, and they're .org, not .com.
Okay. No problem.
Can I go back home? It's like your little RV. You have a nice carrier, by the way.
That is an easy fix.
Okay, you can go back in now.
Baby girl.
Yeah, I did the little insert D at the top.
Ah, that's what I did.
There you go.
And then we got Oakley and
Well done. That wasn't bad, Stevie.
Hey, bird.
Don, Ortiz.
Hey, bird.
Oh, yeah.
It's not my area, kid.
He's being quiet. He's a talker. Normal bird.
Nothing going on over here at all.
And Godzilla.
Yes.
G.
Oh, did you? Z-I-L-L-I.
I reset my area because we're going from dusty to non-dusty kids.
Zilla.
I got Zilla.
Hey, big Stevie.
Those are all of our job done.
Thank you.
Orky? Hi!
Orky's very sweet, but like all Amazon, she'll growl at you.
Oh, I'm gonna growl. Are you gonna put
Yes.
up
I
a
haven't had one yet
fuss?
that doesn't growl.
Put up a fuss? Hi, sweetheart. Baby's flying around. She's gonna come in. I know. Where's that Maybe she's gotta be cooked through the towels. There we go. Just keep that little
There you go.
There you are. Hi, baby. Yay. Okay, let's get this other foot. There you go. Oh yeah, you feel nice and good. Oh yeah. So, just double checking. Good.
Yay. Hi, friend.
Now I'm done.
Eyes, they're cool.
You're next, buddy.
It's like, uh-oh.
You're next, buddy.
You got so many feathers, which is a good problem to have. We like you when you have all your feathers.
Good job. It's gonna be quick. Then you go back home.
Here we go. I know, he's got so many feathers, and I want to make sure I have a clear path. gonna go poke. Here we go.
How's it?
How is it? Hi.
How's it? I need to go out.
Yes, you are so adorable. Yes, you are. You are so cute. Oh, yeah. Oh, your blood pressure's up. That's okay. Okay, so she might have a little bit of a bruise.
Okay.
There's nothing to worry about.
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you. Yeah, she just has a high blood pressure. So.
Yeah.
It's stressful.
I know.
She's healthy.
It's okay, Orky. She's just gonna have a little bit of a bruise. We're putting some pressure there. Putting just a little liquid. Stomping.
No, it's okay. We're just gonna stop the bleeding. Go back to your house.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's it. Then you don't have to see us. For a while. You can go home, get extra treats.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we'll load you up on treats, right?
Oh, yeah.
You need payment. Yes. Like, you'll get stuff in return, I promise. You'll get compensation. Adequate compensation, hopefully.
Had apple and what this morning?
Apples and oranges this morning along with the regular chop.
Yeah. You'll get adequate compensation.
We're gonna go ahead and set her down so her blood pressure will come down, but we'll check her again before
Yeah.
we head out.
Alright, let's put you back in the house.
Yeah, it's so funny. Some birds, like, they don't bleed at all, and then we'll have others that their blood pressure is just the right,
Yeah.
that they have just a little bit. If she starts to show any extra signs of distress, we can put her in the ICU
Okay.
with oxygen.
Did you see my text when I have a couple bags of Higgins parakeet?
Yeah,
Do you want it?
sorry, I did see that, and then I got distracted, because that's how that goes.
If you want it, I can use. If,
We don't use Higgins either.
That's fine.
So,
yeah.
We use Harrison's and Supreme.
I thought I'd offer it. Yeah.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
How are you doing?
Is
Is that Godzilla in the head?
Tell us all about it.
Hey Zilla.
Godzilla, it's your turn, baby. I know you watched your other friends and you're like, we can just we can skip me.
He's like, I'm good. He's like, I'm good. He's like,
Scared me.
my nose is a bit funny. I wanna go home.
Hey girl. Hey girl.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's stopping. That's good. Okay. You're the last one, baby. You're the last one. I know. Hi, Godzilla. You're not even close.
Not yet.
Just gonna come in. Just gonna. I know. Nice. Oh no. Oh, this is so good.
We did not plan this. We didn't put it on our Google calendar. That was very ridiculous.
Last one. Most vocal out of everybody.
I know. I'm so sorry.
She's good.
We didn't put it on our Google calendar. It's okay.
It's okay. We'll get you home, okay? Hey girl. Hey pretty girl.
No. This will be very quick.
Okay. Zilla, I'm sorry, baby. You're gonna work yourself up. Are you gonna have a bruise too? Yeah, you're gonna have a bruise too. That's right. You can tell me all about it.
Be careful. Be careful. Be careful.
Yeah, sorry, we don't have Amazon on staff to answer translation calls.
Okay.
Out of the way.
Hey, baby.
There you go.
You two look on face.
I tried to get here. There you go. There you go. Yeah, okay. I was like, whoa.
Okay, baby.
Sorry.
Before you two are completely on face.
Yeah.
How you go? Hi. Can I take a look real quick? I won't pull you out, I promise. Okay, yeah, it'll stop bleeding. Just gonna have a little bit of bruise in there, that's all. We'll start it up again, but we're gonna give you just 1 second.
Yeah.
Sometimes when their blood pressure is so high,
It
give
pushes
a
it.
second.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you don't stop in a moment, it will pull you back out, baby. Of course, it's the last one. So. What was that? What did I do to you?
Yeah, those two are really sweet. Of all our Amazons, these two are just.
Lilacs are like a different species by far from the other Amazons. Like people, when they go, I have an Amazon sister, and I'm like, double yellow or the lilac?
Yeah. Now with me, the Barney, our double yellow,
Uh-huh.
he's sweetest bird.
Oh.
Well, just with me.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. You're like, don't look at me, Beth. Don't look at me, Santa.
How are you doing, Santa?
Yeah, hi.
Mommy's right here.
Okay. It's fine.
I don't know, some of them are paying $10 a pop.
Mommy's right here. You did a good job.
I want to give her 1 more second and
Okay.
then pull her back out to just clean up the area and take a look at
yeah,
it again.
that's fine.
But she's about clotted. That's such the great thing about parrots is that they have such a natural clotting ability that they clot so much faster. She's like, you can
Tell him
stop.
hi, Bird. Go. Tell you hi.
Hi, bird. Hi, bird.
You're
I don't think he's
fine.
feeling up to it right now.
And then you two look like nothing have happened.
The whole way here, hi bird, hi bird, hi bird.
Even while you were going.
I think it's a nervous thing that he does
Or
that.
it's like the building, when they see like the vet clinic, like
Well,
dogs.
no, in the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, he just, yeah, coming in, he made it, just all the people.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a African gray named Jocko Kelly who sings Yankee Doodle. And on the way to the vet, we had to sing Yankee Doodle 6 times.
We've got a blue front that sings, You Are My Sunshine.
Oh.
He sings the whole thing. And then he's got to finish it off with, yay!
So I believe the bleeding is off, but I want to take us out just to clean it up a little bit before sending you guys home. And then I'm done with you, I promise.
You want to just step up, or do you want to?
I'll tell him again because I
Okay.
want to make sure I get a good look at the area before sending you home, okay? One more time, I promise. And it's not even, I'm not poking you again.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, guys.
I just want to clean you up a little bit before you go home, okay?
Says no.
I got you. I know, I'm so sorry.
Make sure you're cleaned up.
Yeah, I just want to make sure you're cleaned up before we go.
There's gonna be an extra compensation afterwards.
Okay.
Just for breathing heavy. do is, out of abundance of caution, I'm going to put a gauze here and I'm going to put a Tegaderm bandage on it, just so that we have a little extra pressure as we pull out, just as an extra pressure.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, just because then we got all worked up. But I am gonna wipe off one area before we situate. And I don't expect we'll keep that bandage on anytime at all. But it'll just give us a little extra pressure for a couple minutes.
Feels bad. Clean you up.
Yeah, see, it's not even bleeding at this point, but I'm still gonna do that just as a, because we got so worked up. Perfect. Thank you. These Tegaderm bandages are really great because they stick to feathers. They even stick to a cockatoo feather.
Really? You are?
Yeah, even with their
I don't think there's anything that would stick to a cockatoo feather.
right?
Is that gonna hurt taking
All
it
the
off?
dust.
Is it gonna hurt taking it off?
Put you back in your house.
Yeah, put them
I'll put you back in
So
your
I'm
house.
sure he himself will remove it very quickly, but if not, alcohol, like just like rubbing alcohol,
Yep.
just a little bit, we'll have it come right off without removing the feathers.
I'll tell him.
And he had stopped bleeding again, but because of travel and getting carried out and everything, I just want to make sure that we're abundant with kids.
Hi, baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my baby. These are my babies. That's why I'm crying, because my two babies will cry.
No, they're okay. They're okay. Like I said, I'm doing this more out of abundance because we're going home. I want to make sure that you guys are all good. But, yeah, just some extra treats, extra loving for the rest of the day will be good. And you two are fine.
Or if Stevie didn't care.
No, they're like, what happened? What?
Say, oh, it's still like compensation.
Yeah, I'm sure
They're good
Zilla
treats.
will remove it himself really quickly, but a little rubbing alcohol. Actually, I have some wipes. Do you guys have any alcohol at home?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, yeah. Just making sure. And
You
then
have alcohol wipes.
yeah, so that will take it right off if he doesn't remove himself. And I would say by the time you get home,
You probably will.
either he will remove it or you guys can.
Yeah.
Okay. But if you have my number, if you have any word or
Thank
anything,
you.
give me a call, and we'll get them taken care of. Yeah.
How many are you expecting today?
I think we just have one more after this.
Wow, okay.
So, but we're so happy to see the kids, and we have everything. We have all the paperwork. And you guys are
Thank
good.
you.
Thank you so much.
Here you go, baby.
Come on, Stevie.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, bird.
Bye, bird.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. You don't need a bye-bye, too.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
I'm not talking now.
No, he's not.
Now.
Yeah, it's really rare that we have where we'll bleed that much, but if we have any issues with blood pressure or they just get worked up enough, they'll actually continuously remove their clot. So even though birds naturally have great clotting abilities, I did that as a precaution. Even though he had stopped bleeding again, I did that as a precaution to make sure nothing, no clotting was removed in travel and going home, and the Tegaderm bandages were feathers.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We have a couple of questions on here, if you don't mind.
No, not at all.
Jean Jones said, "Delicate, beautiful creatures. Super happy they're getting chipped."
Yes.
So that was awesome. And Lisa said, "I'm sure more than it hurting, she was more upset at being held down."
Exactly. That is the thing, is that these guys are prey animals and we're restraining them. So they're like, what the hell is going on? What are you doing? So, you know, we have the fact of, I did, you know, poke us with a big needle. We use nanochips versus microchips. So we use even smaller needles. That is what is used on our dog and cat companions. But the fact of holding and restraining, especially in Amazon, where most Amazons, they don't like to be pet down their back. They don't like to be a lot of them don't even like head scritches, whereas the cockatoos are like, yes, hold me, love me. And we're also strangers, so you know we had a couple factors there that kept the blood pressure up, and sometimes I have to set a bird down when they're just about to stop bleeding to get their blood pressure low enough so that clotting ability comes in.
Gotcha. Awesome. Let's see. At least we know she doesn't know any curse words because they would be flying out of her mouth right now.
Absolutely. We run into a few birds that have known curse words and have used them appropriately as well. So I'm glad today that I was only cursed out in birdie language.
Someone said, all poor thing. Thank you, ladies, for keeping her safe. The bird language being used is probably pretty nasty. And someone asked, Janice asked if the microchip is as big as what's used in dogs and said that had to be painful.
So
and
it is actually smaller. We use a nanochip versus the microchip. So it's even smaller than what is used. It is still to them a fairly big needle, but it is not actually much bigger than what is sometimes used in dogs and cats for lactated ringers or getting a large sample.
Gotcha. And those are all the comments so far. Anything else you want to add? Thank you, guys. Anything else you want to add?
That you guys got to learn today a little bit and see the whole chipping process. You did see a bird that took longer at the end to stop bleeding. That is actually really rare, and one of the first times we've had that happen at this clinic. But that is why I have an ICU oxygen machine with me. I have my oxygen here. This provides heat. I also have pineapple juice on hand for that extra sugar. So if I did feel that bird was overly stressed, we had emergency care here if a bird was, not handling it well. Because we always want to do safety first, and even though that nanochipping is a huge safety thing for our flocks, that if that bird ever got out, that they would be able to track down the owners and be able to reunite the birds. Because even this year we have worked with bringing in over 25 found birds. So we have worked with different counties on that, and it is pretty scary how many birds get loose and then are never able to be reunited with their family members.
Wow. And where can they follow you to learn more about?
Oh, absolutely.
Yes.
We are on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook at Papayaga Rescue House. Just look up Papaya Go and you'll find us.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
And I'm going to tag you guys and post it.
Oh, perfect.
Yes.
Wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you. And we'll be back for the next one.
All right, have a great day.
Thank you. Bye, guys. Awesome, you guys. Yes, absolutely. Thank you for making this. Oh, absolutely. Jean, wasn't that informative? That was super informative. Now I'm going to go up here and we're going to look at our cat and dog microchips. Hi, Clayton County, Papayaga Rescue House. Papaya Go. They're the ones doing the microchips for the birds. And as soon as we get some more doggies in, we will let you see our doggies get microchipped. And our kitties, obviously. Let's see, they're going to be back here. And we have the scanner just to double check to see if they are already microchipped. If they are already microchipped, we want to make sure the information that is with it is correct. So we have a scanner just in case they might already be microchipped. We have muzzles, we have a disposable thing for the needles, and of course, towels and that sort of thing. So as soon as we get another pet back here, then we will show you either a cat or dog getting microchipped. And right now, you guys, we have here comes one now. We're having our microchip clinic going on from 11 until 3 today. And it is free for Cobb County residents. We're doing cats, dogs, and birds. And the folks doing the birds are Papayaga Rescue House. So please give them a follow, a like, the whole 9 yards.
Hold his face.
Do this first. It's not so cute. Oh, he's so pretty. Oh, he's so good.
have a long leash. Those are our leash. Feel that. Didn't even feel that.
You guys, this is our microchip clinic going on from now until 3 o'clock. And we're doing microchips for cats, dogs, and birds. And it's just a veritable pet parade here. They're so cute. They're so adorable. We also have positive supporters. The lady in the green shirt is Fran Jackson. She's the head of positive supporters. So if you need to get your cat or dog spayed or neutered, reach out to her, Positive Supporters, PAWSITIVE, supporters, SUPPORTERS.com. And Positive Supporters can connect you with low-cost spay and neuter resources. So check them out. They're on Facebook. You can also go to their website as well, Positive Supporters, to make sure that your pet is spayed or neutered. And she is here. Her name is Fran Jackson, and she heads that organization. And she has done or connected numerous pet owners with low-cost spay and neuter resources.
And then maybe if I talk to you whenever we have a chance.
Yeah. The majority.
Okay. Yes, I got him.
Yes, ma'am.
Since I got him, I had 2 males at first and they were fine, but now they're like fighting over the territory.
Why is this the cream right now?
Yeah. Okay.
It's not doing you guys.
2000. Little. These are back again.
That's perfectly fine. Thank you so much. You're welcome to be here.
Fine, how are you doing? Awesome. Awesome. Need it. So need it. Tell them to reach out to you on Facebook and to reach out to you on your website as well. We're Positive Supporters. Thanks. Okay.
Benito. Benito. See, I didn't see the rest of it. So Ben and Toe.
You get a picture while you
Benito. Just it also could mean little cutie.
Spanish.
Okay, you guys, that's what's going on at our microchip clinic that is going on now until 3 o'clock. We're here at Cobb County Animal Services. Our website is cobbcounty.gov/pets. And this is why we microchip. There are so many pets here on our board saying they're missing, their cats, their dogs, the whole 9 yards. This is why we have our microchip clinic. Let me go. There's one more. So we implore you guys to please get your cat, your dog, and your bird microchipped. And that will help with happy reunions. And this little kitty's going to get microchipped now. And it's that easy, you guys. We're having our microchip clinic that is going on from now until 3 o'clock. We're here at the shelter. Our address is 1060 Al Bishop Drive, Marietta, Georgia, 30008. We are here till 3 o'clock. If you have a cat, a dog, or a bird that needs to be microchipped, please come out and see us today. If you're a Cobb County resident, the microchip is free. If you're not a Cobb County resident, it's only $10. So we don't care how many cats or dogs or birds that you have. What we want you to do is come out here, get them microchipped. And if you have them microchipped, this is a great time to check and make sure that the information on the microchip is correct. This right here, these pictures that I'm showing you are of missing kitties and doggies. Here we go. And if they had a microchip, you guys, hopefully they wouldn't be on this board. But microchips ensures that, there you go, the pet is identified as yours. And what happens is when your pet is lost and they're found, a vet or an animal shelter can scan for the microchip, contact you on the microchipped information as long as your information is correct and updated, and they can reach out to you to let you know that they have found your kitty or your doggy or your bird. So yeah, this is why we do this, you guys. This right here, the pictures I've been showing you, is lost and found animals of Cobb Animal Services. These are all the pets that have been lost and found. And you know, with the new year coming up, there are going to be lots of fireworks and that sort of thing, and that can scare off your pets as well. So we implore you to come on out, get your pet microchipped. Don't care how many cats you have, don't care how many dogs you have. We just want to make sure they're microchipped, and if your pets are microchipped, ensure that the information out there is accurate and correct. Just showing you the pets here. Folks that have put up flyers to show that their pet is missing. That is what we're doing this for. There are lots of missing kitties, lots of missing doggies, that sort of thing. I'm going to show you another microchip getting done, and it's a really simple process. It's a really simple process for some peace of mind.
Okay, it's okay. Already in there. What a pretty mama.
It didn't go in. Oh, it didn't go in. It didn't go in.
She's a weighty little one too.
Okay. She has heights.
Although, yeah, she didn't notice it.
There we go.
Adrenaline was up this time.
She's like, I'm out of here. Get me out of here. There we go. That's pretty good. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thanks, you too. Okay, you guys, we have 2 kitties that are going to get microchipped as well. So if you'll hang in there for just a moment, we will show you them getting microchipped as well. But again, this is what we ask. This is what we ask, is that you come on out and get your pet microchipped so they will not end up on this board here or in lost and found. Now, if you want to know more about what we do when a pet is lost or when a pet is found, go to our website, cobbcounty.gov/pets, and there's a tab there for lost and found. And that will let you know our processes for when we find a pet.
It's okay. See? Quick grit.
Jean, yes, we do post on Nextdoor. I don't know if I had a chance to post it or to update it out there, but yeah, go ahead and post it on Nextdoor. But yes, we do post on Nextdoor, just for the Cobb County area. That's the only place. But if you post it and shared it, thank you so much. We do appreciate it. But yes, we do post on Nextdoor. It's under Cobb County Animal Services. And hopefully we've seen some folks from Nextdoor have brought their pets out to get their pet microchipped. But that is what's going on today. We have 2 little kitties. Their information is getting registered and they're going to get microchipped as well. In the meantime, what I'll do is show you some pets that are available for adoption while they're working on that. Let's see. And we'll also post this on our TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and X channels as well. But let me give you a look at some of the pets that we have available for adoption. Look at these cuties. You guys, they're available to adopt for the month of December. The adoption fee is $25. Or if you donate cat or dog food, then we'll waive the adoption fee and they'll be free to adopt. So these are some cuties that are available for adoption. I'll go in and show you the doggies as well. We've had quite a few adoptions. Yay! Our inventory of pets is down to 236 as of this morning, and it hasn't been that low all year long, you guys. So thank you so much for adopting. This cutie under here. Thank you so much for adopting. Our cats and dogs are down to 236 in the entire shelter. So that is amazing, because usually we've been trending over 350 pets. So yeah, it's been a rough summer, a rough year. And but guys, if you know someone who is interested in adopting, tell them to come on out. We're Cobb County Animal Services. Our website is cobbcounty.gov/pets. This little cutie is just done a lot to her little thing. Our website is cobbcounty.gov/pets. That's our website. I'm just showing you a few of the pets we have available for adoption. We are not open on New Year's Day, but we're open on New Year's Eve, and we're open the day after as well. So feel free to come on out, start the new year with your forever best friend. So aren't they cute? Start the new year with your forever best friend. Yes, like this one is pleading with you. Yes, just gorgeous, just absolutely gorgeous. And waiting for their forever home. So yeah, guys, come on out. If you already have pets and you want to get a new pet, then come on out and see us. If you do not, if you already have a pet and need a microchip, come on out and see us. Let me show you some of the other pets we have available for adoption. Oh my goodness. Look at this cutie. So you guys, yeah, so come on out and see us. We're at 1060 Al Bishop Drive, Marietta, Georgia, 30008. We are Cobb County Animal Services. Our website is cobbcounty.gov/pets. That is our website. And our microchip clinic is going on now. Our microchip clinic is going on now. And let's see if we have any cats that are ready to be microchipped. But come on out and see us. Come on out and get your forever best friend. For the month of December, here we go. For the month of December, our adoption special is $25 to adopt. Or, $25 to adopt, or the adoption fee is waived with a cat or dog food donation. So that's what's going on now.
See right here, if you'd like.
That's funny, yeah, two golden cruiser cookies. Not easy.
Ooh.
How did it not, she not even notice when it went in?
Okay, Miss Man, Miss Man.
Wow, we.
Okay. A little dramatic.
That's so funny.
Like such a delayed reaction.
Right over here.
Do we come over here?
Yes, you come over there.
Ahora vas mejor. Venga. La jalo no sé quién se le da. Pase, pues.
Maybe. That one didn't. I'm gonna try one.
And we'll do one more and then I'll let you guys go. But come and see us. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, YouTube, and TikTok. And there we'll post our events that are coming up. Our first adoption event of 2026 will be Heirloom Antiques. And we'll post it here when the flyer is ready. But it'll be Heirloom Antiques in Powder Springs. That's going to be our first event, and it's going to be on January the 10th. So there we'll have our new adoption trailer. We've rewrapped it, so it's all brand new with a new design and everything. So we're excited about that, and you'll see it at Heirloom Antiques, if not sooner. So guys, come on out and see us. But this is our microchip clinic going on now until 3 o'clock. If you are a Cobb County resident, again, come on out now until 3 o'clock. Come on out and see us. You can get your cat or dog microchipped. The Papa Yaga Rescue House gave us a quick insight into what they do in microchips for birds and bird education, and we'll post that as well. And if you're a Cobb County resident, you can get your cat or dog microchipped if you're a Cobb County resident for free. If not, still come on out. It's just $10 per microchip. We've heard that it can be close to $50 or $60 to microchip at a vet. So what better way, what better time to get your microchip, your pet microchip than now? So we've got this cutie coming up. I'll show you this cutie and then we will check out. Is that right? Cool. No, Oliver.
Hey, Oliver.
Feeling. I'm not feeling
Okay, guys, we're all done here. As we have some more come in, I might jump on over to TikTok or X, but we are good to go so far. Thank you so much for joining us. Our website, cobbcounty.gov/pets. That is our website. And you guys, not Merry Christmas, but Happy New Year, you guys. We have some more coming in. Might hop on over to TikTok and let them see what's going on. Thanks.